instructor for this FQAS class, Penny Johnson. I'm an instructor here at Madison College. I teach in the Administrative Professional Program. I teach mostly at the Truex campus. And I'm here today to help you get started with the class and go over a few things that I need you to do right away. Okay, so let's get started. If you're not already within a web browser, go ahead and start up either Google Chrome or Safari or Firefox. I recommend that you don't use Internet Explorer when working with Blackboard. And so once you're logged into your once you've started your web browser, go ahead and go to the Madison College homepage and then log into Blackboard. After you've logged into Blackboard, find our class name, Curriculum and Course Construction, and go ahead and enter our class. When you enter our class, the first screen that you'll see is always the announcements page, where I'll share news and tips and tricks. Once you're in the class, go ahead and read the material that you can find there. Please read over the syllabus for our class and the schedule of due dates, and then let me know if you have any questions at all or concerns. After that, go ahead and click on the assignments and just become a little familiar of the kinds of things that we'll cover during our 8 weeks together. I think you'll find that the class is pretty clear and straightforward. Then when you're ready for your first task, go ahead and click on the discussion board at the left, and you'll see I have a forum for your self-introduction. Introduce yourself to your colleagues, and there's a few specific things that I need you to mention in your post. First of all, would you please let me know what program you teach in, and you can even identify what degrees or diplomas take your classes. And also, if you don't mind, tell me how long you've been at the college. And then I just need to mention that for our homework, we'll be doing lots of course design. We'll be taking a look at lesson plans and learning activities, and we'll even create a syllabus. And so I need you to start thinking about one class that you currently teach that you're willing to use as your guinea pig for our homework assignments. And so in your introductory post on the discussion board, tell me all that stuff about yourself, and then also please identify that one class that you're willing to use as your guinea pig. Give me the full class name and the catalog number. If you need